Do you want to keep your Snapchat account safe from hackers? In this video, I will show you how to set or update a strong password on Snapchat to protect your account and personal information. So, to know how to do that, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to your Snapchat account. Then here in this page, you will click on your profile above here, this of your avatar. You will click on your profile. After that, in this first page, you will have here settings. So you will tap on settings. After that, you will scrolling down until you find a window called password. So you have to click on password like this. And then here we'll find this sentence that said, set a good password by using a combination of lowercase and uppercase letters, numbers and symbols. So we click here to add a new password. For example, you can add this like this here and also here, but as you see here, this password is not strong enough, so you can add another password that is strong like this here, and you will confirm it again in that way here. And then as you see, we click on save, and when you click here save, you will add or set your password to protect your account and personal information in easy way. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.